Goofy.
Say, there's nothing here!
Oh, yeah? Well, you sure don't miss much, Mr. Osterberg. Don't you worry. The pyramid's just over there, in fact, but you can't see it because of the trees. Follow me.
Isn't it magnificent, Harry?
Just a pile of old stones.
Now look here! That pile of old stones, as you call it, is all that remains of one of the most extraordinary civilizations that ever existed! And that my wife and I have been studying for more than 10 years now, so I should very much appreciate it if you would show a bit more respect for the past!
Don't get all upset. I didn't mean nothing by it.
Now, Harry, now. I'm sure that Mr. Backalive didn't mean to upset you. He simply doesn't share our passion, so he can't understand.
You're probably quite right, Debbie. Do forgive me. I'm afraid I got a little carried away.
Oh, that's all right. I do it too. I myself sometimes get a bit overexcited. Oh, matter of fact, there was a time.
Oh, we're coming! Daddy's coming, Daddy! Daddy's coming! There. I'm almost there!
There, don't cry, sweetheart. Mummy's here. He's hungry.
How about that? Well, you guys are sure well equipped.
Ah, my dear Backalive. When one has children, the key word is organization.
Well, this little fella sure was mighty hungry, wasn't he?
Well now, Backalive, how are you getting along?
Just fine. You know, it doesn't look difficult, but it's kind of tricky putting these things up. Fortunately, I'm an old hand.
So I see.
I put up my first tent back in... Lousy modern equipment.
Don't make so much noise, you two. Dennis has just gone to sleep.
Oh, splendid. Now we can run along and take a look at that pyramid. But one of us will have to stay behind to watch over our little Dennis.
Go ahead, I'll look after him. With me, your little fellow will be safe as houses.
It's just for a little visit. We won't really be gone for long. Mr. Backalive should surely be able to manage.
Right. Off we go, then.
Go ahead, just take your time. Why, brat, just let me sleep here.
Hey! Oh, Bee!
Hooba!
Oh, Bee!
Bad boy!
Now, let's see if I've got the translation right. It says that there's a secret passage. And it says the parrot's beak will show you the way.
Oh, like this, I suppose?
Are you all in one piece, dear?
Yeah, but what an idiot I was, hon. Thank you.
Oh, don't worry about it. Now, since we can't go back the way we came, we'd best try this way.
You're probably right.
But what was that noise?
Oh my God! Look up there! That badly aligned stone stopped the huge block that would have crushed us! We're safe and sound.
If you say so, dear. Do hurry up, my dear! The stone is starting to give out! Please, hurry, please!
I got it! Debbie! Debbie! Can you hear me? Debbie, it's me! It's Harry! Are you all right?
Yes, I'm all right. My goodness, what a fall! Where are we?
In trouble. Your turn, my dear. That's it. It's not that hard. Whatever you do, don't look down. Step on that small stone there to your right. Debbie! No! Hang on, Debbie! Just don't move at all! I'll get you out of there!
Harry! I can't hold on!
Debbie, grab onto this!
I really thought I'd never make it.
Me too. We demonstrated there's truth in the expression, love can move a mountain.
I suppose it's this way.
It doesn't look very inviting.
We have no choice. Come along.
Hoopy, ooby, ba, hoopa, beepa, ooba, ba. Oh, ba, baby, ooba, bee.
Do be careful, Harry. The ground seems to be very slippery here.
Don't worry, Debbie. I have a remarkable sense of balance.
No, that's enough! It's enough! It's enough! I want to get out of here! And I want my baby!
Don't worry. With Mr. Bringham back alive, our little Dennis is in safe hands. By now, he's probably out there looking for us. There must be a way out of here. I'm sure of it. We just have to find it. Bingo! I found it! Are you coming out of there or not?
Oh no!
there's nothing to be done. It's completely blocked.
My dear, will you do me a great favor? Don't touch another thing! Do I make myself clear?
Bee? Bee? Mama! Bee?
Hooba.
Help!
Will you leave me alone? Hey, boy, those mosquitoes are big this year. Hooba? Hooba? Hooba! Bibi? Hoopa? Hoopa?
Oh, help!
The ceiling isn't much further. If the water level keeps rising, maybe we could...
Something touched me!
Oh! Something bit me!
They're piranhas! Oh! It seems we won't be drowned after all, but eaten alive! Help us!
When do we eat? Hoopa ba.
Get away, you vile creatures!
Did you hear that?
Hoopa!
What on earth is that?
Hoopa! Baba!
Good Lord! The poor thing!
Hoopa!
What a strange animal!
Incredible, in fact! And it's just saved our lives, dear!
But how will we ever get up there?
Baba! Baba!
Oh my goodness!
It's trying to say something! Hooba!
What's it doing?
Phenomenal! It's even got a built-in elevator!
But what's happened here?
Mr. Back Alive! Mr. Back Alive!
Was everything all right? There were no problems?
Dear Mrs. Osterberg, with a man like me, there are never any problems.
Well, we found ourselves stranded deep inside the very heart of the pyramid.
Real interesting.
And this strange little animal with a very long tail saved us.
A Marsupilami! It was a Marsupilami! Where is he? Where is he?
He's gone! Wouldn't even stay to be thanked!
You can't escape me forever! One day I'll get you, or I'm not bringing 'em back alive!